Super exciting to be here on top of the Masonic Temple building in downtown Detroit. I'm sure you guys all know this. We've been coming to concerts, so many events here through the years. It's an honor and a privilege always to be on a historic site, specifically this significant of a historic site. So they called us out. They've been using the big companies forever, and they're looking for a mid-sized company like Brickworks to come in that has the experience and the expertise in historical restoration. So over here, we got the swing stages up. We had to build our scaffold. We're about 200 feet up right now, 180 to 200 feet up in the air. We're taking sections, we're doing structural steel restoration above this window pocket over here that's actually causing the limestone to twist back and fall into the building, which is causing roof leaks. We first came out here, they were getting water leaks onto their main stage. What that means is water was following its way down over 100 feet through cavities in the masonry. So we're not only doing limestone restoration, we're doing structural steel restoration, and we're also doing historic repointing and brick replacement. Just this one section in this area. It's about a 2 to 3 week project, and on a size project like this, we're the perfect opportunity, the perfect size company to come and make sure that this thing is done correctly and done economically to fit the customer's budget. So it's, again, Masonic Temple Historical Restoration.